Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I got this really pretty layered kinky curly wig. It's giving natural hair vibes while my natural hair is nice and protected and sitting in an array of oils and some Cleo braids, growing, living her life. I still get to look like me. I'm very here for it actually. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Today's video is sponsored by UNice. They sent me over a wear and go wig, and I'm pretty sure this is my first time trying one. Y'all been eating them up, so I was like, let me figure out what's to it, what's going on. So this is her. She's pre-plucked. I don't think the knots are bleached, but to be honest, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just try to finesse it because I want to see if I can get the looks that y'all be getting with the wig straight out of the box. So I literally just grabbed her out of the bag, and this is the curl pattern. I haven't washed her yet or anything. The inside is very breathable, which I love, especially for the summertime. So I'm excited. If I like this wig, baby, this may be my new go-to. We're gonna have to see what she's giving. Let me put a wig cap on really quick. I'm not gonna do the bald cap method. I really want to go for a super beginner friendly install, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pop on a wig cap. And my hair is already braided. I have it like braided in the middle and a little bit of edges out on the side, just because I like to have big baby hair all the way across my hairline. I'm not sure, let me see. I think this is a 5x5 closure, but all of the information will be down below in the description bar just in case it's not. But I think I have enough like braided up with enough edges out for the ratio to be right. It should be okay. Let me grab my bronzer because this is way too light. Hold on. I look crazy with this little hair sticking out the side, but baby, we're gonna have to make it do what it do. I also am gonna go ahead and put a little bit of foundation on the lace just because I don't want to bleach my knots and I want it to, you know, still give scalp. I'm going outside and I need it to look right. So I'm going in with a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand and this little UNice makeup brush, and I'm just going to apply this straight to the inside of the lace. And I'm not worried about getting it everywhere, to be honest, because I know I'm wearing a middle part. So I'm just applying it right to the edges of the lace in the front and down the middle part in the middle. It has a little adjustable strap, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this and we can pop her on and see if it's giving what y'all said it's gonna give. The cap construction on this wig is really nice. It has like this anti-slip grip all the way around the edges. It's breathable in the middle, combs on the side and in the back. None of that weird comb behind the lace thing, that's weird. I love that it doesn't have that. And then this adjustable band, it feels really like sturdy. I don't know, y'all. Wait a minute before we get too excited. Let's see. I don't know, y'all might be on to something, but okay, hold on. The jury's still out. We still figuring it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and melt this lace down really quick. Where's my elastic band, child? Let me get my life together. So now that we know that the placement is right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig with this Even Wonder lace spray. Spraying it on. And I'm making sure to get these little corners too because I want it to be secure behind where my edges are. I'm taking a little makeup brush and some spray that I put on a little, this low key like the little cardboard from my wig cap girl, but I'm just taking a little bit of that spray and I'm applying it right on top to kind of melt everything together. I like to sandwich the spray. I don't know what it does, but it does something, I promise you. And I also kind of pulled a little bit of hair down on the sides that I want to kind of train to go forward, because that's what we're going to blend with my natural baby hair to kind of put everything together. It's going to make sense, just trust me. Okay, so while our edges are cooking, let's go ahead and put some shape in this hair. I've been really feeling the short face framing layers on my curly unit, so that's probably what I'm about to go for. Okay, it's starting to give. It's starting to give. I'm getting excited. All right, we got a nice melt going on. I'm here for it. I'm just gonna kind of comb these edges up a little bit. And let's go ahead and start to separate out the baby hair. Okay, so I trimmed those baby hairs a little bit, but make sure you don't cut your edges playing with me. And right now we are giving very much Spice Girl vibes, but I'm not mad at that either. I'm gonna go ahead and section out my baby hair as well, because I'm about to curl all of it with my little mini flat iron. And I'm just adjusting the wig on the side, making sure everything, you know, is covered up, because girl, who bald cap out is me. So I'm taking this little comb. Yeah, that's much better. So I'm taking the baby hair on the wig and the baby hairs on my hair and just kind of curling them both together. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to add a little bit of shape to it so the baby hair come out a little bit more, you know, shapely. I don't know. It just gives it like a natural shape to the baby hair, so you don't have to do so much swooping. I'm leaving this longer part of my hair alone on this side. I don't know why I curled it on the other side, because I'm gonna end up putting mousse on it to blend it together. I really just want to curl the very edges. And I'm gonna lay my edges with a little bit of this Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. Okay, so now that I got my edges laid, I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Toffee. I'm gonna take this and apply this right onto the lace to make that blend even better. And then my little elastic band to just lay those edges down. Okay, y'all, I gotta hurry up. I'm about to take these clips out, because girls, Spice Girls are over, honey. Take the clips out. I'm going to use my little hot comb to kind of get the hairs in place. I always like to go down on the sides of my closures to cover up that point where the closure and the tracks start. So I'm just pressing the edges into place. And now we can go in with the mousse and define the curls. All right, so this is the hair wet. It's really pretty. I'm about to go ahead and go to lunch. When I come back, I will show you what the hair looks like dry, because baby, it's hot in Texas and I'm pretty sure it'll be dry by the time I get back. I don't want to diffuse it because I just kind of want to let it do its thing and air dry. So I will see you guys in a couple of hours. Bye babes. Well, see you later. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, this is definitely the next day. What had happened was I went to yoga and sound bath and I was terribly tired, ended up going to sleep, woke up, and the hair was a little puffy, so I felt like it wasn't fair because it wasn't showing you, you know, really what the hair would look like freshly dry. So what had happened was I rewashed the hair, redefined the curls, waited for it to air dry, popped it back on because I really want to show you guys how pretty it is after it air dries. These curls are gorgeous. The length is perfect and the layers really did add something to the hair. The baby hairs are hidden and I blended it in with my edges perfectly because it just looks so natural and pretty. I'm on the bandwagon. Y'all got me. When y'all are right, y'all are right. I'm mad that I'm late to the party. I like these wear and go wigs. I'm not even mad at the knots not being bleached, to be honest. I feel like it's giving me a very natural look, especially because it comes pre-plucked so well. She's giving. Okay, so thank you again to UNice for working with me. All of the information about the hair will be down below in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and check her out, honey. And I will see you guys in my next video, honey. I'm about to go outside. I'm looking kind of scrumptious. Bye babes, I love you.